wanted to show you how I make this fun twisted tassel fringe. You can add in all your leftover colors from your project and it just makes it look really fun. So first you're going to cut 2 colors per tassel and you're going to double the length of how long you want the finished fringe to be. So if you want a 6-inch fringe or 4-inch fringe, double that and cut your lengths. Cut all kinds of colors, the ones that you used in your project or new ones, it's up to you. Then you're going to place 2 colors per stitch. I used my tapestry needle to get them there, but you can always fill in gaps, like if there's a little bit of space or your stitches are a little big, make another tassel, throw it in there, and make it as full as you want to. Then you'll twist. Take each color and twist together in the same direction. If you go right for the first color, go right for the second color. If you go left, go left. You want to make it nice and tight because what we are going to be doing is kind of undoing that twist when we put them together. So make sure you twist in the same direction for both and twist nice and tight. Then you're going to double twist it by holding both colors together and twisting in the opposite direction. Then put a knot at the bottom, leaving some room for teasing out the ends. So here it is again. You place it, twist the colors, double twist them together, and then knot the ends. Takes a little bit of coordination to hold that first twist, but you'll get it. You got to use all your fingers. You can weigh down your scarf or something with like a book, and that way it doesn't pull away. Now we're going to tease. We're going to use a brush or a comb to fluff and separate the fibers. This should work for cotton, wool, lots of different blends. You should be able at least to be able to separate the fibers out and make it look kind of funky and fluffy. Some of them may pull away, but that's okay. Just fluff until you're satisfied. Then you'll trim them and even it out to however you think it looks good. You can make short puffs or long ones. And enjoy. I love this. It's a little bit different than a regular fringe, and you can have so many options for colors and styles. You can use a chunkier yarn to kind of give it a, volume boost. But yeah, I hope that you'll try it out and let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.